And welcome back to another live stream. It is Friday. Wait, no. Yeah, it is Friday. It is also Jackson Hole Symposium Day. We are going to be getting those prepared remarks from Powell a little bit later. I am super excited. This is what I've been kind of looking for all week, to get an understanding of what Powell thinks, what he's going to say, where are we going to head over the next few weeks here so we can set ourselves up accordingly. I hope everybody is having an awesome morning. Shout out to all of you guys that are in here bright and early, ready to go over everything that kind of has happened overnight going into today. If you guys have any tickers that you want to look at, just call them out. Let me know, guys. That's what I am here to do. Help you guys navigate through the market every single day. And again, team, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. It's a big day today. We got Jackson Hole. If you guys remember last year, Powell's comments at the Jackson Hole Symposium, oh boy, they really sold off the markets aggressively. So we'll see what we get today. It's going to be interesting, but it's going to be fun. Now, with that being said, oh my God, you guys are ripping up the like button already. Thank you, team. With that being said, since today is such a big day, I will tell you guys right now, I'm not looking to trade a whole lot. Really not. Again, and even if I do, it's going to be after Powell. I'm not really looking to do anything before. To me, it doesn't make sense to do that, because we're going to see potentially an opening little aggressive move after what we saw yesterday with price action. Remember, NVIDIA earnings pumped the market up a little bit. Everything came crashing down throughout the day. We bounced up a little bit in the after hours and pre-market trading session. We could have a little bit of volatility here. It'll settle down going into 10:05. That's when we're going to be getting those opening remarks from Powell. I believe it is going to be streamed, so we're going to try to find that link. So I'll stay on a little bit longer for you guys today, so that we can go over Powell. But again, I don't want to subject myself to overall Powell volatility and guess which direction it's going to go. I don't care. I really don't. If the market's going to give me a good opportunity after Powell, I will be all over it. But if it doesn't, perfectly fine. It's a Friday and we have Jackson Hole. So for all of you guys that are little crackheads that are just like, I just want to take a trade, try and think logically about what today actually is. Today's a decision day of the market. It's okay, we run up a bunch. We've sold off a decent amount from those highs. We're getting basically to the end of earnings season here. We have Fed meetings coming up, I believe, next month. We have a September one, right? Yeah, we should have a September one. Yeah, September meeting. And then we have that potential government shutdown nonsense. So we'll see. That's kind of the little opening thing that we have here. We're going to go over the news feed and see what we have over there. But team, keep smacking that like on the way in. We are 9 away from 50 already. Conjunctivitis. No, Dr. Bob. My eye is fine. It was just one day of contact lens nonsense. It's fine now. What do we got here? Logan, Dr. Bob, got Taco, Reese Pool, Life Wisdom, Rycack, Wreck-It Ralph, Danger, Gerardo, Taco Lori, 6'4", James, Pablo, Alex, Daily, Taylor, Tor. What is going on, team? Anybody that's new, let me know. Anybody that's new to the stream, let me know. I'll say hi. What's up, team? All right, so what do we got here across the board? NVIDIA's down a little bit. AMD, same kind of deal over here. Tessie flat. Facebook, basically flat. Everything's not really moving a whole lot here. The TLT's flat. Where's the dollar? Dollar's not doing anything. Again, nothing's really happening in the pre-market right now. Everybody in their mother is waiting for what these opening remarks are going to entail and contain from Powell at 10:05. New here, Cohesive Karma. What up, man? How you doing? Everybody give a nice warm welcome to Cohesive over here. Welcome him to the club, man. Let's see. Yeah, Powell's at 10:05. So, again, with the new streaming schedule, if there's a day like today where there's something crazy happening, like Jackson Hole Powell stream potentially at 10:05, I'll stay on with you guys. But again, almost all days going forward now, we're going to do that pre-market stream, and then I'm going to hop into the community with Trade 1348 with you guys and stream there. So again, remember, everybody gets their first month free. QR codes on the screen. Best education that's out there. Best tools in the game. You guys see the gains that all of our members are making every single day. You guys are fucking killing it. Hey, it's been a minute. 3 straight weeks of profit. Thanks to you and Gabe's cheat teachings. Gabe Maelstrom. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. You can't go on 1348 while at work. Well, it's a good thing that we have all of the swing trading stuff for you too, so that you don't necessarily have to. I can make another video that actually makes it a lot like very hands-off, and you really only need to look at price alerts. And that's kind of a lot of what I'm doing now with the swing trades. It's not swing season. I thought we were going to get back there for a second. We were going to start to get back into swing season, because if you looked at the SPY on the daily, we were looking at a shift. like we were dead at like really close to looking at a shift here. Remember when we're below all these EMAs here, or when it's better example when we're above here. When we're above all of these EMAs, 13, 24, 48 here, this cloud in this little area here, we're going to use this range as levels of support. When we fall in and then fall below, we're then going to be using it as resistance. It's a little bit easier to see on this 4-hour time frame here, where you're above it, you're using it as support, using it as support, then you break below, you resistance, 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 you broke up, but you failed to retest and continue to the upside. So remember how we draw these, like use that trend line tool? This is what I would have wanted to see out of the market to confirm that we were headed to the upside here. Something like this. You bounce off that 200 or 48 here, then start to make that move up, hopefully breaking this high that we set, which is this. We didn't see that. We went like this instead. We went up and sold. I don't need that. Hold on. And then sold right back off, as you guys can see here. Didn't break the low, but we sold right back through. So did not respect any of those levels there. So again, we're just waiting to see. It could happen with Powell today. We could get back up in here, and then next week is going to set some things up for us. But again, just patience, and then we nail the day trades that we do every single day. How often do I trade live? Well, this is actually interesting. You can't trade live in front of people. It's actually illegal. You can't do that. So I map out what I'm expecting out of price action and provide ideas for where I think things could go, along with the strategy that we teach. So it's all education. If you think that you're going to follow somebody else's trades and that's going to make you rich, or you're going to learn anything that way, you're not. The main reason is you think, if you think about human psychology, humans are inherently, and this is a hard way to put it, but it's lazy. It'll get your attention. Humans, in my opinion, inherently lazy. If you say, I'm going to teach you this skill versus I'm just going to hand you the result or supposed result, people are always going to flock towards that and they fail to learn. So we're all about learning and education to make sure that you guys have the tools, because again, I can't see everything in the market every single day. If you guys have the tools and understanding in your toolbox and tool belt to go in and see any ticker, what's happening, and make your trades accordingly, that's way better than me sitting here and being like, do this. Plus, most of the time that happens, you're just being used as exit liquidity for low premium option pumps out there. So be careful, please. Stay positive, stay focused. Sometimes things can distract you. Oh, 1348 Khaled, what up, buddy? Yeah, plus I'm on a delay. Like there's a delay on this stream. So even if I did it, like you're late. Like even if I wanted to do it, you won't be able to get it in time. Let's see here. Guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are going to have a great day over here, guys. Jackson Hole. I'm pumped. I can't wait to hear what Powell says, man. Because here's the thing. We're just going to be sitting here again. I've told you guys already, I'm not looking to do just picking your brain the best I can. Thanks for the insight. Yeah, man. Cohesive. Ask any questions that you want. Strategy, macroeconomics, anything you need. I mean, if you're new here, I'll give you a little background on me. I started learning about the stock market and everything when I was 14. I'm 24 now. And I got the opportunity to learn in a way that most people don't. Like I understand how like institutional and money managers actually do things, and what things actually mean in the market. It's just a skill. It's a gift, not like a natural gift, but like something that I've been able to learn. So I would think it's almost disrespectful for me not to teach you guys those things, so that you guys actually have the ability to go in the market and you see something, and you understand exactly what it means and what the effects of it could be. I've been around the block, man. Seen a lot. I remember the days of like options premiums being like insane. You could hit crazy earnings because they're only pricing in like 2-3%. Like, oh, dude, those are the days. Those are the days. Now everybody and their mother wants to trade options. The premiums are crazy. You don't do that anymore. It's nuts. There's been a lot of shifts over the years. Is this really the way it's gonna work? What do you mean? I used to only available as non-master swatch on Tuesdays and Thursdays. What is no. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm in master. I'm streaming with masterclass. On Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm killing the public stream at like 9:29 and going into another stream with you guys at 9:30 private in the community. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you guys have me. Don't Moto. You can't. He's been here for 10 minutes. You can't get him on ankles yet. There's baby steps, bro. You can't. All right. 3-minute spy looking interesting here. I mean, again, those of you guys filtered in, I'm really not all that interested in doing a whole lot today with the market. I'm just not. Powell Friday. Like this is not what I would deem as pure like great market conditions to trade in. We'll see if we get some good moves, but that went over your head. The ankles thing. Yeah, don't ask about ankles yet. Don't. I mean, if you guys hit 500 likes today, we'll do ankles. So get on it. You'll eventually catch on. Just wait. No, guys, don't start. Don't start. You can't. I'm not telling the ankle story to the one new guy today. I can't be doing that. Like number 69. Holy shit, you guys are killing it today. Love the move to the private so we weed out the riffraff. Yeah. So again, guys, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. The QR code's on the screen. Make sure you guys are scanning that if you're interested. In the links at the top of the live chat, just use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you get your first month free. So you get to come in there, learn for a month, and make sure you have those tools, and then you're ready to go. We're preparing you for that eventual journey that you guys will take into masterclass with us once you're ready to take it to the next level. 600 likes, we get the free car giveaway. What does it say on platform? It says no car giveaway ever. No car giveaway. Private with all the monthly community? Yeah, that's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll probably do like I'll probably go from 9:30 to 10:15 with you guys. Because one of the points is I want to be able to be okay. This is the other point of it too. That I hadn't explained yet. So I want to be able to create more of those live trade videos for you guys where I'm actually taking trades live so you can see my thought process. If I'm not trading like if I can't record it while I'm doing this. So I need a little bit more time to be able to do that. Because I know you guys really enjoy them. Like over on Instagram, you guys love them. TikTok, YouTube. I mean, you guys really enjoy those. I think you're learning a lot from them, seeing my thought process when I'm entering, exiting, and managing trades. And I want to be able to do more of that for you. Let's see. Let's see. Nature's Barista. You can always take that journey into master. Remember, guys, those master prices are going up very soon. So do not miss that. This is probably the biggest change that we're doing with master here. Don't miss this one. Again, you don't have very much time left. If you're interested in upgrading to master, make sure you go over to your subscriptions area on platform or reach out to Diana. But any of you master members in here right now, let all of the people in the live chat know what you've thought of it, what your experience has been like, your successes, and just your overall experience with our masterclass tier. Let the people know, because I think some people are still on the fence. They're like, "Oh, I don't know. Is this for me?" And again, we all know how great it is, but let the people know. How much is the class? The masterclass tier where you get to watch Gabe live every single day. My midweek masterclass is and then I'm joining on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The Sunday masterclass is the GoldenEye chart, the GoldenEye indicator. Right now it's $19.99, but it's going up very soon because of what we're about to do with it. It's going to be fucking insane. Which platform are you using for trades? Webull, NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, and then we have our own educational and tools platform for you guys. Yeah, all you master members, let the people know what your experience has been like in master. Tell them in the live chat, let the people know. Masterclass has changed your life and way of trading. I usually win 4 out of 5 trades. Fuck yeah, Lori. There you go. There you go, Lori. Yeah, it was fun hanging out with you master guys yesterday. That was good. I like that. That was a good time. Gabe and I had some fun. I mean, there was nothing going on really in the market. I was like, oh, I mean, I feel like we should be doing something here. All right, let's see. We got about 15 minutes until market open. Master will absolutely take you to the next level in all aspects of your trading. The greatest investment I've ever made, no doubt. Tor, appreciate you, buddy. I'm so biased. The Powell will try to break the market, so I'm trading this afternoon bias bait. Me too. I'm not touching it. It's awesome. It will greatly improve your skill set. There you go. Master is a game changer. You learn the skills needed to get an edge in the market. Yesterday, you locked in 50% on the port. 2K a month? No, 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 no. It's 2,000 for the year. Um, for the year. Um, but it's shifting. It's about to be 2,000 for a quarter. Damn, Steve-O, 50% on the port? If you're having a hard time trading, get into Master. That's it. Don't overthink it too much. There you go. Master has taught me the importance of following the system. Once you do that, there's no stress and you will win. The education is masterclass is top notch. I have experience with the Master. Let's see. You got called Nate. That's probably because you did something dumb. If you say something dumb, you're going to get called out. You said this over and over because it's true. Master has changed your trading for the better. I'm a much better trader now than I was before Master. Damn. Yeah, but still, I mean, you guys can get it now. If you guys want to lock that in, then you're all locked in forever. At that tier, at that time frame, you guys are all locked in. If you snag it before we end up changing that pricing tier, when we bring out our whole new educational app for you guys, I mean, it's going to be big. More like 56%. Jesus, Steve-O. GoldenEye alone is worth the price. Dude, GoldenEye is epic. I mean, you guys have seen the trades that I've taken with on the like live with them on the videos on Instagram, and TikTok and YouTube. They're epic. I haven't gotten one recorded like the 200% ones. There's been I think I've hit like 3 or 4 trades this week on SPX that have run over like 180% with GoldenEye. It's epic, dude. All you got to do is pay attention and put in the work. True, man. True. But yeah, time's running out to secure that deal. If you guys are interested, I mean, this is going to be the biggest shift for you guys. I mean, you hear it all the time. It's like, oh, I wish I got in earlier. It's like, yeah, it's wild. We just keep adding value for you guys. How does GoldenEye work? I can show you right here. GoldenEye is effectively like a top and bottom tick indicator. Like just looking at this on the 5-minute here, you have top tick, bottom tick. I mean, you bottom tick here a little, but this is a quick one. I wouldn't have taken this. Is barely candle close. Bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick, top tick. Like, look at this thing across the board. Like, top tick, bottom tick, top tick. Like, it's everywhere. Look at this. Sell off, top tick. Ooh, little scalp. Boom, 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 boom. It just is. It catches every single fucking move, dude. I hit this. This is one that I traded. You guys can see this. I still have this trade design up here. I didn't delete this one. So I hit this one up to the 13 here. Drilled it. Thank you. Bottom tick. I nailed the bottom of the day with GoldenEye. It's freaking insane, dude. Trend and Respect Masterclass was also awesome. Also, we'll be getting funded in the next few weeks, no doubt. At a boy tour. Yeah, I'll do some more of those types of things with you guys. So the next one that I'm going to probably do is I don't want to do a full swing trading class yet. We might do time frames. I think next week we might do time frames. Like why certain time frames do what they do and things like that. Because it feeds along with the Trend and Respect class that we did this week with you. Nature's Barista, I think you're reading way too much into it, buddy. It was probably a misunderstanding. You're like, oh, he said something mean. It's going to happen. I say mean things all the time. Gabe's PC was on the fritz. Master may not be happening today. Oh, that sucks. Today's your first day with the eval account. There you go, Logan. Yeah, I don't know. Master might be canceled today. I haven't seen anything. Let's see. Love the masterclass this week. Just watched it last night. Thanks, STV. Pod 1. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys like those when I kind of hop on and kind of go through things for like 35 minutes with you guys. Nice little Q&A area, breaking things down, making sure that you guys can understand. Yeah, we'll keep doing that. Tough day to start an eval. Yeah, that's true. Logan, be careful today, buddy. I also, this is interesting. Some of those eval accounts have weird rules around when Powell speaks. I know they don't let you trade FOMC, but I don't know if if Jackson Hole is one of those rules. So I'm not doing anything. Maybe I'll do it on my live account, but not on like a prop firm account. because you don't want to accidentally be like, bing, dot, like, and they just say nope. All right, guys, we are 9 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. And again, everybody's getting their first month free. And make sure you guys are hopping into Master before it's too late, man. Because once that shift happens, where it goes from yearly to quarterly, and we bring out all of the new amazing things for you guys, it's never coming back at this price. Good morning, Vince. Good morning, Jack's dad. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, honestly, guys, my whole goal today really is just discipline and waiting until the dust settles after Powell. That's it. I'm really not looking for anything in the first 30 minutes here. So obviously we're gonna watch price action, see what happens. I have no open positions, I don't think here. I shouldn't. Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. The 30% rule regarding payouts of the Apex? No. Have you noticed that TradingView and TradeView running at the same time causing connectivity issues? Can't trade a single morning without getting disconnected at least 4 or 5 times. I've heard of that. I don't trade. Like I don't have them connected. So I don't know. I never, because I don't want it on here. I like the interface over there, and I've gotten used to it because again, when you switch from like options to the futures broker, it's a different shift. So once you learn that, to me, I was like, well, then it doesn't make sense for me to then learn how to then do it on TradingView. I was like, I just want to do it on the actual broker so that those things don't happen. Anyone in take two? I'm not, but like we can take a look at it. Yeah, guys, we can keep calling out some, or that's not take two. TT. No, penny stocks. Hell no. Nope. I don't know why. I mean, I do know why people talk about penny stocks. They're like, oh, if this 5-cent stock goes to $10, I'll be a millionaire. But the odds of that happening are probably less than a lottery ticket. So I don't go anywhere near those. And personally, I don't think retail investors ever should. But people are going to do what they want to do with their own money. It is what it is. You've seen it with all of the hype stocks. You've seen it with everybody. Even when all of the information points to the opposite, people still do what they want to do anyway. Oh, 30% of your profits in a payout can't come from more than one. Can't come in more than one trading day. You mean in one trading day? A $2 lottery ticket is cheaper than playing penny stock. Yeah, I'd rather. There's way better ways to light money on fire, guys. You want to light money on fire? You want to spend that money? Go to the club. Seriously, go to the club. You're probably gonna meet better people. Like you're gonna have a better experience than buying penny stocks. Like I'm not kidding. Is Jerome giving a live speech? I'm pretty sure it's going to be streamed live. I have some links up here that do say it's going to be live. I have them kind of flickering around. I think it's like Kansas City Fed is one of them. And we're going to try to get the actual live stream on it to listen to it. So yeah, we're gonna see what we get there. I think it's going to be live streamed. Mark P, what's up, buddy? Thanks, SV. No problem. Either way, we're gonna get I'm like 90% sure it's gonna be alive. It's gonna be streamed live. So we just have to find it at like 10:05. And then we'll listen to it. I'll break it down for you guys, and then that'll be it. And we'll be good to go. But yeah, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are already crossing 100 likes here. I appreciate you guys. That is awesome. Shout out to you guys showing up bright and early, putting in that work. Don't be doing this to me today, computer. I don't want to see you glitching. Fucking Powell day. Are you us in masterclass a link today since Gabe isn't gonna be on today? Well, we're gonna stream Powell here. I'm not looking at trading anything really. It doesn't make any sense to trade. What else do we have? We have Michigan consumer sentiment and then Powell at 10:05. Why do anything before Powell? And even after Powell, like it could be a fucking shit show. So we'll see. I'm waiting for the dust to settle after Powell to do anything. to me, the first 30 minutes of the market today are going to be like pretty irrelevant unless something wild happens. And yeah, guys, make sure that you guys are all following me on Instagram too. Short the VIX1. We are growing super fast over there. Actually, let me grab that link to that so that you guys are all good to go over there. I don't want that. Get this out. Discard. Dude, Instagram was being mean to me yesterday. Hold on. Let me grab the link here so that you guys know where we're at. Here you go. Here's the link to the Instagram. We've been posting a lot of those live trading videos over there for you guys. So you guys go. No master today. Yeah, I think Gabe's computer's jacked up, so no master today. And again, it's a decent day to not have master because there's not much to do today in the market besides listen to Powell. That's really it. Like, can you trade? Sure. I mean, you can make a little bit of money, but it's going to be weird. It's going to be a weird open. It's going to be weird when Powell's speaking. It's a Friday as well, so we'll see. Let's see. No, it's not VIX the short one. It's short the VIX one. Hey, computer, stop fucking around. Thank you. I won't play these games today with you. 4 minutes to go into the ding ding here, team. It's not like it's at the end of the day. Nah, I mean, Jack, it makes sense for it to be like early because they have a lot of other stuff to do. Like, it's a whole event. Like, it's a whole giant thing that they're doing. Are we glitching out today or what? Are we good on restream or are we fucked? Ah, we're a little fucked. I see it glitching. We're going to have to deal with it. As long as the audio is good, we're good to go. I'd really rather not have these computer issues today. All right, man. Now following on IG. Awesome, buddy. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the gang, dude. The last time we visited the old glory hole, the market had $14 worth of movement. Yeah, I know. Like, that's why I'm like, all right, why do anything before? I just want to wait and see what he says. Armando followed on IG. What's up, buddy? We should make a VIX the short one account and just have the short version of you in the videos. You guys still think I'm short, don't you? Even though you've seen all the pictures of me like out and about. It's fine. You can think that. That's cool. I'm not short, mom. All right, man. 2 minutes until the ding ding. Here we go. Let's see. Dude, you guys actually have potential to get up to 500 likes today. That would be interesting. What's your personal theory on the high failure rate of trading? One, it's just two things on like why it happens. One, people approach the market in a way that they try to make money right the fuck now. And that always causes them to make really poor decisions in the short term, which leads to inevitable failure in the long term. The second thing is that they follow all these absolute morons on social media that are just like, follow my trades. And like I said earlier, humans are inherently like going to take the path of least resistance. That's a better way of putting it than lazy. If you could say, oh, I'm going to educate you on how to get the outcome that you want, but also just like follow me, I'll give you the outcome. What do you think people are going to do? They're going to be like, I don't want to put in any work. So they're going to go to the other thing, not learn anything, and inevitably fail too. It's those two things that are clashing. I'm short for a pro basketball player. I am short for a pro basketball player. All right, team. How many seconds left? 10. Here we go. Here we go, team. David doing pretty good. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go. Here we go, team. Welcome to the Jackson Hole Symposium Day. Let's see what happens. Nothing too crazy on the spot here. Just chopping around at open. Let's see. Everyone wants that instant gratification. Exactly, they do. And that leads to their inevitable failure. So we're below the 5-minute 200 EMA here. Let's see if we can get above. Yeah, honestly, I really am not all that interested in taking many trades here today. Just not. With Powell coming up, it's consumer sentiment coming up too. We can watch price action, go through news feed, see what's going on. We actually haven't gone through the news feed yet. Let's actually take a look at that. Dude, this whole fucking shit is glitched out, bro. I'm all glitched out here. All glitched out today. Nice. Great work, fucking Restream. I pay you a boatload of money every single month so that this doesn't happen. And then look, glitching. Let's see. All right. That might have helped. All right, let's see what we get here. Yeah, still below that 5-minute 200 EMA. See what it wants to do. I'm trying to pull up the news feed here to see if there's anything like crazy market movement coming in this morning. I don't think there was. Central bankers expect to reiterate guidance in Jackson Hole. Goldman Sachs central bankers gathered in Jackson Hole are unlikely to deviate from previous guidance. Goldman Sachs economists say in a note. The symposium opened yesterday, and Chair Powell's opening remarks are scheduled for today. ECB's Lagarde will speak in the afternoon, and BOJ's Ueda is the last panelist scheduled to speak Saturday. Goldman Sachs expects Powell to be adamant that they will see the job through, but no rush to hike again either. As for Lagarde, she's likely to indicate that the ECB needs to remain at sufficiently restrictive levels. Ueda will probably reiterate that they have to, they still need to have more conviction on higher inflation. Interesting. Here comes SPY moving up a little here. So, I mean, again, you could get something like this. We can draw this out just as practice for trend identification. You can see this move up. You can see this convergence into the 200 EMA. Maybe a little bit of consolidation. Get that 3 or 1 minute GoldenEye alert here, and then back up to these, whatever highs are created if it ends up running. So you could see something like that right here. AMD levels. I can give you them, but like, why are you looking to trade before Powell? Seriously? I mean, we have them right here, 102.50 and 135. We got them right here. Right around these levels. Really just paying attention to the SPY here today. Yeah, and then just going to be looking for that Powell link when it does come out. So, and again, guys, Dimmel the reason why is because, well, we're going to see a lot of nonsense in this opening move here, but then we have a potential giant catalyst coming up at 10:05. So I'm just waiting, sitting on my hands. And this is the thing that like I struggle with as like a streamer and teaching you guys how to trade. Like I feel like sometimes you guys want like, oh, you want to see me doing something all of the time, but the key like trait of a great trader is knowing when not to. So like a day like today, I know not to do anything. And you have to be, and if that's your plan going in, you have to be disciplined enough to actually follow it and say, well, if I say I'm not doing anything, then I follow it. A plan is great. but you have to execute and implement it. Bariqua, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. If you guys haven't already, keep smacking that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm and all that bullshit. Why do you think we tell you to shave your ankles? It gets you to do something? No, stop it. Oh, hold on one sec. All right, team. Let's see. Been in master for so long in printing. There you go, Gio. Yeah, guys, remember, those of you guys that aren't in master yet, you guys have seen the announcements coming through. Make sure that you guys are hopping into master before it's too late and that new pricing structure kicks in where master stays at the same price, but instead of being yearly, it's quarterly. This is the biggest shift that we're making. The value that you guys are going to get and the value that you guys already have is absolutely ridiculous. So if you guys are interested in hopping in there with us in master, you guys see everybody in master fucking slaughtering it. Go to your subscriptions area on platform or reach out to Diana in Market Talk and she will help you with that upgrade. 10:05. We have Powell. 10:05. You remember before Master, Geo wasn't printing. There you go. It's worth it. Oh, Geo, we appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, you guys see all this positive feedback about Master. We love you guys. That's our goal. Make sure that you guys are printing. Looks like I don't really give a shit what this is doing. I'm more interested in them setting the tone for the next few weeks. It's already been a great week here, especially with GoldenEye and you guys in Master and everybody else printing too. Not looking to push it here. Wait, there are people in here that aren't in Master? What are you waiting for? Shout out to you, Michael. Got some affirm gains. Nice. Premiums are jacked. That too. So it also would make more sense to trade futures today if the premiums are juiced up. Let me actually look and see how bad they are. I'll look at the SPX. Oh, yeah. These are... Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. These are jacked. Yeah, these are juiced. NVIDIA down about 1.3% here. Yeah, premiums are fucked. Yeah, I'm not touching those. Are you insane? I'm not going anywhere near that. They're just trying to steal from you. Up 21% on the port for the day. What the fuck did you do, winning loser? What did you do, bro? Can I explain GoldenEye? No. It's the best way to explain it is a bottom and top tick indicator. And that's what it does. So you guys have seen all of those trades on Instagram that I've done for you. I think all of them are GoldenEye and they're bottom and top ticks. Like I'm nailing the bottom of the day with it. You honestly don't feel like you've been playing options now that you've been to the future? Yeah, some people like futures way better than options. Some people like options better than futures. It's all about what you prefer. A firm hit its ATR in like 5 minutes. What's going on with it? Is it really ripping over there? Fuck is this? Oh. Oh, it's earnings. Earnings pump. Nobody told me about that. Come on, bro. How rude of you guys. When you turn 18, you're going to start messing around with futures, but for now, there's no rush. Yeah, no rush. I mean, futures are a great addition to into your repertoire as a trader. Like on days like today, I would probably only trade futures. If I was really itching for a trade and I saw something really good, I'd trade it on ES, not SPY or SPX. Just because, again, and the reason why I say that for those of you guys that are new, it has to do with the way that options are priced, in how their prices are calculated. So when you have a big event like Jerome Powell coming and speaking at Jackson Hole Symposium in what 25 minutes, what happens is that the options pricing metrics are going to change because when you're going into that event, does the market in general, we all expect there to be a heightened level of volatility, meaning more price movement up and down. So that then has to get what is called priced in to the options market. So you're going to have higher premiums or the higher prices of options. But the problem is that they are going to decay at a faster rate because let's say it's a zero. Let's just say, for example, it's a 0 day. Now, on a day where let's say these options are normally priced 1,000 at the money, but they're 1,500 or 2,000 today. Well, they're going to decay a lot faster because they still have to converge at 0. Trade the trends, 3 minute. 3 minute. I like the 3 minute a lot. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in the midweek masterclass with you guys next week. Time frames. I think we've done it before, but I think especially GoldenEye, I think talking about time frames again is going to be very beneficial to a lot of you masterclass members. And the trend identification that we did this week was really solid. All right. SPY's just screwing around here right at this 13 and 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Nothing too crazy. You bought 10 SPY calls for Monday with the 440 strike it open. Nice. You made some money there. You made some money there. All right. I'm going to look a little bit more for this Jackson Hole link. If anybody, I'm going to need your guys' help too, I think. If anybody has the direct live stream link for where we're going to be seeing the Jackson Hole, the Powell speech stream, send it to me on Twitter or Instagram.